Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what I'm doing. I'm just working back on a sketch I showed you last time. Let me show you. I was working on this and I was working on that with these Caran d'Ache, my new Caran d'Ache, my set of new Caran d'Ache tin, not the neon one, I think they are neon ones, neon colour, but it's a different set to my smaller tin. This is a nice big comprehensive one full of colours. So I've been working on that, and what I want to show you is how, because it's aquella, let me just get in a bit closer, because they're aquella, I can mix them with water and I can go back into it and use a paintbrush and see what happens next. I'm just going to turn you around and show you what I'm doing. If I point that down, just bring it over a bit, hopefully you'll be able to see that. Push it around a bit more. There. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. Let me just check, see if I can see it through the camera. Yes, I think I can, yes. So what I should do next is go into it and use this fine liner. Let's try this one to start with. Here I started putting in some foreground using, actually I'm going to use a thicker brush. I think it needs a bit more flexibility than that. It's a bit flimsy. So what I'm going to do is this. Go into it and take up some of this to make more use of the foreground and these stalky bits. Yes, it's working good. They're very nice, these Caran d'Ache. They're very creamy actually. Use like those sort of strokes, so I still retain some of the darker colours underneath. Excuse me. So look, I can just take up here and there, put some little dots and dashes just to soften it, and the same here. Take up some of this. I like this light green colour just here at the very front. I really like that. It was quite a misty day when I was doing this, so I was trying to get those mysterious colours that go on when the mist comes down. And hopefully I've got the desired effect of magic going on here. A little bit of mystery and colours. I love these colours. Right, I'm going to move you over a little bit. I'm going to take this up here. So in the background, it's quite pale lilac, if you like, to make it go back into the distance. And I use darker colours in the foreground to bring this forward and bring it out. Although here and there is like misty colours at the foreground as well here, but I think that adds a nice intrigue to the actual composition and colours. So I'm going to come over this side and do this little bit. Take that up. Just put some grasses in. there's this lovely creamy colour here. What I might do is I'd like to put some more pink in the foreground to make more use of what I wanted to make use of is this pond area. What I wanted to do was actually put in some pink bits to indicate lilies. I'm going to just do this because there are lily pads on the pond, although the lilies actually are not there yet. So this is pure artistic license that I'm using, bringing in the lily colours, or suggesting more than anything. It's suggesting. Bring a little bit here as well. There, like that. And some here. This is just a little bit of pink just to knit in together. So those are not just totally on their own. Where I use a little bit of colour down here, I also like to just put a tiny bit in the middle distance, just so as your eye leads in and around. Coming over this side, just a little bit over here as well. These colours together, they're quite zingy. I quite like them actually. They're subtle. Beautiful, soft, subtly pastel-y colours. Don't want to overdo it. Maybe I should leave it there. Otherwise I will overdo it. That I do not want to do. Let's just see what happens if I blend that in like that. Using a bit of tissue here to wipe the surplus water away. That motion. Yes, I'm taking the colour off there. I'm just adding it here. That seems to work. Although there's no detail there, I'm hoping it does look a little bit like a Monet lily pond, like this. Whoops, I'm painting this on, actually it's paper, it's canvas paper. I quite like it actually. I quite like to paint on this sort of paper. It takes the paint really well. By that I mean it. On a canvas you have to work harder at pushing the paint into it. On paper it just seems to glide over the top, which is a nice feeling actually. Just tie that down a little bit there. Just bring that in like that. Just so as you can't see I didn't want to put a definite edge there. I just wanted it to look very very, what's the word I'm looking for? More like an expression or an impression. So there we are. I think I'm going to turn it round so as you can see. Don't know if that's, no, the shadow, the lighting's going actually. It's coming up to 5 o'clock and the lighting is actually going now for me here. I'm going to turn it around this way, see if it's better there, like that. No, just one moment, let's just take the camera. If I hold it up like this, I'll be able to see it myself. There we are. So hopefully that's given you an idea of what I've been doing today. I've really enjoyed doing this. I might do another one using a different, maybe gouache paints, and then put this aquarella on top. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please come back to my channel, and if you subscribe, it warns you when I'm coming back. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.